Okay, I'm at the range. I got my SKS assault rifle, and I got the banana clip. I actually bought two of them. They were kind of expensive. They're $50 each, but they hold 30 rounds. This one I only have maybe, I think, 12 or 15 rounds in it. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it. And I'm going to aim it toward that puddle over there. Okay, what we have here is a cast iron pipe. This is actually from a shower, and this part is cast iron and it's copper up there, and also with the SKS. Oh yeah, here's the copper part. Copper right through and through. And then this part right here. Unbelievable, look at that. And it shattered the cast iron. Literally shattered it. So we're going to set that up. Try it one more time. This is great. Look at that. Wow, that's the back end. In through the front, out through the back. Unbelievable. Look at that.